Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be talking about Google's recent announcement about some changes to its Android system in India. The company made these changes after losing a big case against India's competition watchdog. Let's dive in and see what these changes are. The first change is that Google will allow users to choose their default search engine on Android. This means that if you're using an Android phone, you'll now have the option to choose which search engine you want to use as your default. This is a significant change, as Google has been the default search engine for most Android phones in India. The reason for this change is that India's competition watchdog accused Google of unfair business practices and fined the company $161 million. The watchdog said that Google had abused its market position by entering into one-sided agreements with smartphone makers to ensure the dominance of its apps. This, in turn, stifled competition and gave Google continuous access to consumer data and lucrative advertising opportunities. Google had challenged the watchdog's directives in the Supreme Court, but the court refused to block the directives. Instead, it said that a lower court could continue hearing the appeal. Last week, Google announced that it would cooperate with the watchdog. On Wednesday, the company announced that it would allow device makers in India to license its individual apps for pre-installation and allow users to choose their default search engine. In conclusion, Google's announcement of changes to its Android system in India is a significant development for users. It will provide more choice to users and increase competition in the market. However, implementing these changes will be a complex process and will require significant work from Google and its partners. We'll be keeping an eye on any further developments in this area and will keep you updated in future videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates like this.